find my things, and so it's pie. Excuse, that's always like that. It's messy. Getting new furniture, so that should be fixed too. It's got another package. Wait, let me show you what I got in earlier today. Looks way much better and neater. More space. So my room looks way much better from how it was earlier. But I got a package. Can I give you my address? So people stalking me. But yeah, Josh Frogs. Whoop. Josh Frogs. That's the plug, guys. Need worms, anything? Just go to Josh Frogs as well. You can see my reflection right there. It's pretty cool. But let me open it up. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's so bad. Worst thing, I'm not a righty. A lefty. So I'm trying to open one side first. Okay, just got one side. And the other side, this is my easy hand that I know how to do. Okay. Excuse me for a second. Wonder what I got in the mail. I guess that didn't work as planned. Yeah. Got some super worms, guys. You know we need some super worms. We're lone super worms. Oh, I like how they did this. I'm gonna buy it from Josh Fox more often. From betting to oh. Now you know what we're doing. All brand new. This is exciting. 409 to clean, and your main old paper towels. Everyone uses it. Doesn't really matter. It's Walmart. But here they are. I gotta clean it, and I will come back and tell you what I do. Everything is clean. Just let it breathe, and we'll come back in an hour or two and put them back in. Okay. Probably won't see my face. Josh Frogs, right? Not boxing. I needed this. The worms, right? Put the worms on here. Should be 200. Put the links in the description, but now that I finished cleaning it, I give it an hour to rest. So this is Josh Frogs, mealworm, bedding, and food. 5 quarts. It says superworms as well. So for mealworms and superworms to live and breed on. Pretty good. We'll see how it works. Test it out. Here's the bedding. Wow, it fits perfect. Give them a couple of days to adjust. Besides that, food worms. 200. 200. Like the bag too. And they're not that big. I thought they would be bigger. Honestly. Shay, don't move. Move the camera. I just have to figure out how to take it out. Oh, here it is. disappeared. Well, I got some parts of a beetle. I dropped it. Focus on it. Wait, this is mainly for my boxing. You guys saw the worms. Some eggplants. No, they disappeared. What is this, 200? 200 superworms. Chase here. Price here. Not sure you can hear me. And this is from my previous breeding season. Out of all of them, I only came out with, can't really count, I didn't count, but there's 3 there, 3 7.